So as you can see here, those things are extremely shiny. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Brink of Speed. My name is Mike, and today we are going to discuss a product called Blue Magic Polish that will help you clean your C7 Corvette exhaust tips, and really any Corvette exhaust tips, or really any exhaust tips out there on cars that you want really nice and clean that are chrome. It will help you clean them up to a spotless shine. This stuff is great. One of my subscribers told me about it. Let me zoom out here. There we go. One of my subscribers told me about it and told me that he had used it on his Grand Sport exhaust tips, and it had lasted for a month. And he took me over and showed me what his exhaust tips looked like, and it blew my mind. And so I wanted to share this with you because I don't know about you, but that's one of the pain in the butts that I have on my car, is to keep those things clean. I get them nice and shiny, and then I go out for a drive, and literally after one drive, they're stained again with the black, exhaust, and they look awful. And so it's not easy keeping them clean. So I went out and bought it, and first of all, I tried something that I knew probably wasn't going to work that well, but I thought, I can do it. So I tried using a rag, and see how filthy that thing is. It just didn't do the job. I tried to get off all the black and then use the polish with this rag to get off all of the black stains on the exhaust, and it didn't come off. They didn't come off at all. So I went ahead and purchased what I knew would probably do it, and that is this guy right here. So you buy one of these, you attach it to your drill, and it spins real nicely, and then you have all the power you need to polish. And so I'm going to show you guys something that's pretty awesome. I polished my exhaust tips up, got them completely spotless, and then I went for a very long drive. I got on it multiple times. Then I went out the next day, went on a very long drive, got on it quite a few times, parked it again, and my exhaust tips look like this now after 2 long drives, getting on it big time. Always before, those things would have been black, especially the outside too, but not today. Check this out. So as you can see, that is impressive. That's good stuff. Anyway, that Blue Magic has silicone in it. And so once you polish everything up and you buff it off, which I'm going to show you how to do it real quick, because they do need to be polished back to a perfect shine, even though I think they probably would last for many weeks, if not a month, the way that they are. I'm just going to show you exactly how I did it. But once you get them all polished up like that, and you buff them out with a nice buffing rag, they are super slippery, and so it just repels everything that wants to stick to it. And one of those things is obviously that dark sooty exhaust that comes out the back, and it just rolls right off and goes away. So pretty amazing stuff. I know this isn't a super exciting video, guys, but it's something that I just wanted to share with you, and so I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, and then that'll be it. So this is how I do it. Okay guys, so again, I'm using this Blue Magic Metal Polish Cream, and this is what it looks like. Just like that. So you're going to want to apply just a little bit of that to your buffer or your deal here. And then just kind of put it on there like so. And then you can put this part on the actual exhaust pipe and go around. And you want to let that sit and get a nice glaze on it. So you want to move to the next one and just kind of put some of that stuff on there. And same thing, let that sit. Put more on this one. And lastly, this one. This one's got a little bit more of some black on it, so I'm going to put a little bit more on this one. I think I got a little too much there. But as you can see, you can put quite a bit on there. Okay, so they all have a nice glaze to them. Now, you just take a rag like this, just a nice buffing towel, and buff that out. Looks like I got some on the side there. Just get it off the side and kind of work that around there. You guys are going to notice real quickly how shiny these get. And they're super slippery. You can feel, I mean, it's almost like they're ceramic coated because they're so slippery. But it's just that silicone that's in that polish that has made them so slippery. So there you have it. That is what they turn out looking like. Let me get you a close-up. So as you can see here, those things are extremely shiny. So isn't that pretty amazing? As I said before, they are super shiny. They stay that way. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do a test and see how long I can go without having to touch them before they get dirty. As of right now, like I said, it was 2 days of driving it a lot, getting on it, so it definitely had lots of, you know, black exhaust coming out. But I'm going to test the theory out, see if we can go, you know, a week, 2 weeks, whatever it is, and let you guys know how long it takes. But the cool thing about this Blue Magic polish is you can buy this at Walmart, you can buy it on Amazon. It's about $5.50, maybe $6 at the most. It's gonna last you forever. You only have to use a little. And as you can see, it does an amazing, amazing job. So that's really gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the how-to make your exhaust tips beautiful. And again, you can use this on any car that has chrome tips. But anyway, that's gonna do it. So again, always make sure to check out the online Brink of Speed store. As you know, this whole month we're giving back to lung cancer research. It is Lung Cancer Awareness Month for the whole month of November. Check it out. For every item purchased, as long as we meet and exceed our quota, which is 500 items sold, we will give $4 for every item sold. So that would be $2,000 total towards lung cancer research. So with that being said, I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful rest of your week. Please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And if you have not joined the Brink of Speed community, make sure and smash that red subscribe and bell notification so that you're notified when my new content comes out. And I hope to see each and every one of you out on the road.